This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. 2018, this one here, I got a deal, no heat call. There's two systems in this building, and two oil-fired boilers, old stuff. And there's one oil tank, because there used to be two tanks hooked up. I hooked up one tank, but the other tank was leaking, and he didn't want to change it. I mean, this guy's tighter than two coats of paint. My insurance guy. So he's got this old stuff. I mean, one's got a stack switch, the other one's got a D control, but anyway, they got no heat, so I'm thinking that either they ran out of oil or something's going on, that type of stuff. We'll see when we get there. Old dungeon type of place. He's tighter than two coats of paint, mama. Don't want to spend no money. Whatever, we'll see if we get this junk running again. Give him heat. I've been swamped today, swamped. Busy than a one-arm paper hanger. This one's running. This one's fine. That second floor. It's got heat. Maybe first floor. This is first floor. Looks like it might be tripped on safety. Yeah. Need a nozzle or something. New nozzle, threw a new nozzle in it last year. It's a D control. Lighter than two coats of paint, mama. This old stuff. Stack switch on that one. Just old stuff. Yeah, so 1 year ago I did connect the oil line to second floor tank. Go to oil flow, new nozzle. Fired right up nice. We'll check the CAD cell, make sure it's not dirty, but clean the head maybe. It's a Wayne burner. See, this pump here doesn't have a strainer, and that's a Webster pump, no strainer. Could be this transformer. I doubt it. Lighter than two coats of paint, mama. That cell's okay. I'm gonna pull out the draw assembly, see what it looks like. I want to lose that. That nozzle needs to be clean. See it? A little crusty. a crusty one. So it's all crusty. I'm gonna get that out of there. The electrodes out of the way. I'll check that nozzle. Might have some schmag in there. It's a Webster pump, so I don't know what kind of. Yeah, see how dirty that is, because there's no filter in that pump. That could be a problem right there. No good. That's the only drawback of that pump. It's a good pump, but there's no filter in it. We got an old oil line there. I mean, you don't know what kind of condition that thing's in. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it's an old Wayne burner. We're gonna shut both off and maybe change the filter. Change the filter at the tank, you know. That don't mean that the line's clean. That's the only drawback of that pump. It's a good pump. Pump like crazy, but they're not the greatest. There's no filter in them. Stuff gets by every year, and next thing you know, it's an issue. I did change the filter at the got the tank last year, so that shouldn't be an issue.
That shouldn't be an issue, though.
Wasn't hard to change the filter at the tank. That's the only drawback of that pump. There's no filter on it. Suntechs have filters. This one's got a Suntech. I know it's got a filter. When was the last time I serviced this thing? 16. Guys, remember I disconnected this tank here and hooked them both up to this one. OSV valves. So we'll change this filter just for shits and giggles. Let's see what the filter looks like. Been a few years since I taken it apart. I'll take a look. Got some dead mice down here, looks like. Open foam running off the hook. Yeah, she's a little mucky. Needs a new filter. I don't know if you can see it, but she's a little on the mucky side. See it? We'll put a new one in there. Not crazy bad, but enough of an issue to put a new one in there. Old tank, you know. Open the valve, we'll bleed it. No bleeder on the out. I don't know if you can see it. So this one's got two bleeders in and out. A couple of OSV valves because we've got old lines here. Old tank. She says they got oil, so I don't think that's the issue. That's what they call it. That's what they call a general filter. That's a smaller of the two. A little monkey. Not too bad. Got a dead mouse right there. Yeah, here comes the oil. We know we're bled. You wait that second flow one up and change the nozzle on the other one. We'll be alright. Alright, new nozzle, filter that tank. This is the first flow one. We'll change the nozzle on that other beast. The other beast from the east. Flipping Coke can in there, beer can to stop it from. I'm gonna change the nozzle on this one. It's the beast from the east. The first floor one, the nozzle was dirty because it doesn't have a filter on that pump. That's an old style pump with no filter on it. So I changed the filter at the tank, I put a new nozzle and got it up and running. I'm gonna change this nozzle on this one.
Okay.
When are you gonna upgrade this equipment?
Well, you keep telling me you're taking the boiler off. I mean, the oil tank, you haven't done that yet.
I've been busy, guy. Got some,
Making money, that's all that counts, right?
got some old stuff here. Old stuff. What's up with you?
Same old thing.
When you gonna retire? You don't want to, huh?
I can't.
What
The government don't allow me to.
do you mean you can't?
I can't walk away. I can't give this to my son.
They won't allow it?
You have to pay $2 million in taxes or something like that.
Wow, $2 million.
Oh, capital gains tax, whatever it is. It's it'll be close. It'll be over $1 million.
Just in tax? Wow. Big bucks, huh? Holy shit.
The government wants their money.
Hey, how's
I always pay it, don't I?
yeah, how's your brother-in-law doing?
He's still around, that sucker. That new hot is beating away.
Yeah, he's on off.
The only problem he's got right now, he's afraid to do anything.
How come?
I don't know, because he's growing a beard from that too.
Really? Alright, so new nozzle filter at tank. This thing's got a stack switch on it and everything. I mean, it's old shit. Old stuff. Hey, Miss Molly, you're a cutie pie. I'll get some diesel for the truck. Okay? I'm gonna get some diesel for the truck. I'm gonna fill it up. Oh, yeah, next level. Next level.